To record a credit note received from a supplier in Xero, follow these steps. Use your credentials to access the Xero dashboard. If you don't have an account, sign up and follow the prompts to get started. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the Business tab in the main menu, then select Bills to Pay. You can either create a credit note from scratch or apply one to an existing bill. To create a new credit note, click the New Credit Note option in the top right corner. To apply a credit note to an existing bill, open the bill, then select Bill Options, Add Credit Note. Input all relevant details, such as the supplier's name, the date, the reason for the credit, and the amount. You can also add line items and adjust the total amount as necessary. You can save the credit note as a draft if you want to continue editing later, or save and submit for approval if needed. If you are ready, click Approve to finalize the credit note. If required, attach any documents, such as a PDF from the supplier, by uploading them to the credit note. You can add files from your file library or upload new ones